Hey guys, welcome to BLONITY. First, a little disclaimer, the following content is not financial advice, and please be aware that I'm holding a diverse portfolio of crypto stocks. That being said, let's jump right into it. So yeah, yesterday was pump day. Bitcoin was shooting up here like 15% in one day. Everyone is FOMOing again, and today it looks everything is a little bit calmer. We're coming down 0.8% in green right now. So let's go to the daily. So we had a breakout here of this downtrend, but we had this before here from this downtrend here, and that time it was a trap. So it's going to be interesting whether it's a trap again. It looks like right now we're at this resistance zone here again at 45,000, and the daily candle here, it looks like right now like a local top, but let's see. MACD is going up here on the daily, RSI above 50. Let's go to the monthly and then to the weekly. So I think what is a good sign is that we finally have a green candle here for February. So that closed nice here in green after 3 months of big red. So yeah, hopefully this is the trend reversal here, but it's too early to say. On the weekly, we also have now a big green weekly candle, but the week has still 5 days to go, and should be interesting whether this candle can close with this body here when we go to the MACD. So last time the weekly MACD crossed green, that was a good sign here. Let's see whether this happens here again in the next few weeks and we can move up. So it's gonna be interesting. Overall, it looks a lot better than a few days ago. I think there's now time for a little bit consolidation. I think after this pump here, 15%, I think this makes sense. Okay, so what are the stocks doing? Mara up 2%, Corz Scientific minus 11%. We will talk about this. Riot 0.5, Hut 1.4, Hive 2.2%, Bitfarms 3%. Another strong day so far. I think why is Bitfarms pumping? First of all, they were down hard. Second, they released their numbers for February, production numbers. And I think their purchase of this 1,000 Bitcoin a few weeks ago, it was at $43,200 US. So we are now at the break-even price. So I think the investors now see, okay, we are not in red with this purchase of Bitcoins. DigiHost 0.5%, Argo Blockchain 2%, DMG 5%, Luxfolio 3%, BitDigital 2%, CleanSpark 0.5%. Let's go to CleanSpark. We are still at this resistance area here. I think we need a stronger Bitcoin price for CleanSpark to get through this. Any 4%, Cypher 4%, Iris Energy, close to 3% right now, and Stronghold Digital, it's stable down here. Okay, let's talk about Corz Scientific. What happened here? So hypergrowth.eth here on Twitter. So I mentioned Corz last night and how I thought it was underperforming, and then this filing gets dropped this morning. Makes complete sense now. There's an unlock March 10th of 282 million shares. Going to stay away for now. So as I understand it, these are not new shares. I mean, Corz Scientific has around like 317 million shares. So approximately 90% of these shares, they will be unlocked and could be sold from the owners. That doesn't mean they will be sold on March 10th all. Maybe a few or so, we don't know. With these SPACs, everything can happen. But this might be the reason for the dump today, like minus 12%. As I understand it, no dilution, no new shares, but these shares they are holding by by these guys, yeah, will be unlocked on March 10th, and then they could be sold to the market. And I think that's the fear right now. Yeah, so maybe on March 10th, and after there could be good buying opportunities. Who knows? Yeah, it depends on Bitcoin, I think, right now. It's stabilizing at these $8.2 right now, Corz Scientific. Yeah, I mean, with these IPOs and SPACs and things like this, we always get these surprises. We don't like it, but it is what it is. Okay, Bitfarms provides February 2022 production and mining operations update. Yeah, so Bitfarms always the first here. What do we have? We have 2.3 exahash online, so no increase here. 298 BTC mined in February. That's a good number because we had 3 days less in February compared to January. 10.6 BTC mined daily, a revenue of $455,000 or 12.8 million for the month at $43,000 here. 283 BTC deposited into custody, so they sold approximately 15 Bitcoin. And yeah, they have now close to 5,000 or 4,900 BTC in custody. So that's the hodl, and it's valued at 210 million based on the BTC price of today. Mining operations: 7,400 new Bitcoin miners capable of 740 petahash have been received in February or in transit. Yeah, so they could be soon at these 3 exahash. I think they need the infrastructure now. Currently finalizing the first 12 megawatt capacity at the bunker site in Sherbrooke, which will immediately make operational over 3,000 new miners and add 300 petahash. Then we have the other side, near completion of the first 16 megawatt capacity at the Ledger site in Sherbrooke, which is scheduled to be online in a few weeks. When operational, Ledger will immediately utilize over 4,000 miners and add more than 400 petahash to Bitfarms' online hash rate. 2,000 used Bitcoin miners moved or are in transit to the company's Paraguay farm, where they are being efficiently redeployed to add another 100 petahash. So yeah, January 301, February 298. Let's check the data here. Zoom a little bit in. So again, this is the first one producing numbers. 298, so that's 10.6 BTC per day in February. In January it was only 9.7 BTC, so in BTC per day it's an increase. Yeah, difficulty was rising in February, so difficulty adjusted, I think it should be somewhere like 14% increase here of the production. The hash rate growth is there's no growth from 2.3 to 2.3 exahash, so we hopefully see some growth in March now with the new miners they received. The productivity, the Bitcoin mined per installed exahash in February is 130, and Bitcoin mined per installed exahash in February per day, it's 4.18. So that's going to be interesting when we get the numbers from the other miners. Market capitalization is approximately at $700 million. And yeah, the Bitcoin mined per $1 billion market cap is 425.7 right now. The hodl is 4,883. So yeah, that's below HUT 8 for sure, above Argo, below Mara and Riot, and below Corz Scientific, of course. Yeah, and the network, the share of the network should be around 1.18% right now. Yeah, so these are the numbers from Bitfarms. What is the hash rate doing? 220 exahash right now, but on the 7-day moving average, it's dropping. So that's why the difficulty is -2% forecasted. Will be adjusted in 2 days. Yeah, so that's the difficulty thing. Okay, guys, so I think, yeah, it was a short update today. Let's see where Bitcoin goes. Go a little bit into the short term here. Yeah, We topped out here at this 45,000. This pump here, then dump. So, but it's stabilizing here. Let's see whether we have to go down here to the 40,000 again, retest it, or can we stabilize here? What are the indices doing? The Nasdaq is a little bit in red today, but not that big. Oil is up big today, so because of the war in Ukraine, we're seeing oil is up big today. Yeah, so it should be interesting for the coming days and weeks where this market is going, because I think no one knows this right now. But strong sign from Bitcoin so far. Yeah, let's see. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching and see you in the next one. Auf Wiedersehen.